Second, Ritoban Sharthok, Anirban Banerjee, first prize in tabla playing. সৌরভ তরু বিশ্বাস, সৌরভ দা একটু আসবে। First prize in tabla playing. Second prize in M.K. Das Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Shriman Sagor Devnath. Soham is there. Third prize in M.K. Das Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Senior Group, Shriman Soham Pal. Second prize for Music Conference, Shriman Amitabh Datta. Sagor Devnath. Soham Pal. Second prize for Music Conference, Shriman Amitabh Datta. Dr. Sandipan Banerjee Prize in Music, Shriman Abhirup Pal. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee Prize for Literary Activities, Shriman Narendranath Sikdar. Jamini Rai Prize for Painting, Senior Group, Sarthak Bhattacharya. Jamini Rai Prize for Painting, Rajkumar Krishnananda. M.N. Rai Prize for Games and Sports, Rahul Murmu. Rahul. Those boys who are now in class 11. Shriman Sandipan Mondol, Sadhana Chatterjee, Binoy Kumar Rai and Jogmaya Devi Prize for Best Boy in class 11. Shriman Sandipan Mondol. A big hand for Sandipan. Dr. Sandipan Banerjee Prize for Orderliness, Shriman Arpan Das. Dr. Sandipan Banerjee Prize in Music, Shriman Akash Rai. Swami Jagadishananda Memorial Prize for Community Participation, Shriman Ritobroto Sinha. Jamini Rai Prize for Painting and first prize in Saraswati Devi Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Shriman Hemraj Manna. Swami Sahanananda Kalashree Prize for tabla playing, Shriman Saurojit Das. Joint first prize in Saraswati Devi Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Shriman Sumit Shi. Second prize in Saraswati Devi Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Shriman Abhirup De. Joint third prize in Saraswati Devi Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Shriman Akash Chari. Surendranath Rai Prize for Games and Sports, Shriman Govinda Kai. Surendranath Rai Prize for Games and Sports, Shriman Argho Rai Chaudhuri. Those boys who are now in class 12. Swami Lokeshwaranji Maharaj Memorial and Medal and Prizes for securing first position in academic proficiency. Narendranath Basu Prize for securing highest marks in biology. Deepak Datta Prize for securing highest marks in science group, physics, chemistry, maths and biology, class 11 and 12 total, Shriman Rahul Majumdar. A big hand for Rahul. Sharadindu Nag and Shubha Banerjee Memorial Prize for securing second position in academic Shriman Shagnik Kole. And also Narendranath Basu Prize for securing highest marks in chemistry both in 11 and 12, Shriman Shagnik Kole. A big hand for Shagnik. Sharadindu Nag and Shubha Banerjee Memorial Prize for securing highest marks, highest third position in academic proficiency, Shriman Snehil Shen. A big hand for Snehil. Sadhana Chatterjee, Binoy Kumar Rai and Jogmaya Devi Prize for best boy in class 12, Shriman Joyraj Longjam. A big hand for Joyraj. Dr. Sandipan Banerjee Prize in music, Shriman Shostik Das. Dr. Sandipan Banerjee Prize for orderliness, Shriman Swapnodip Ganguly. Swami Jagadishananda Prize for community participation and Narendranath Basu Prize for securing highest marks in physics, Shriman Udbhas Bashak. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee Prize for literary activities, Shriman Arghadip Rai. Jamini Rai Prize for painting, senior group, Sagnik Shil. Swami Swahananda Scholarship Prize for tabla playing, senior group, Surat Shekhar Ghosh. Please come in the dais in proper uniform. Soumajit Mondal. Joint third prize in Saraswati Devi Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition, Shriman Soumajit Mondal. Shantana Ghosh Prize for securing highest marks in English, Shriman Shaunak Bhattacharya. Narendranath Basu Prize for securing highest marks in mathematics, Nilabja Das. Surendranath Rai Prize for Games and Sports, Mahabubur Rahman Ghazi. Surendranath Rai Prize for Games and Sports, Shriman Indrajit Mishra. Jayalakshmi Prize for Best Sportsman, Shriman Gyandeep Mahato. Narendranath Basu Prize for securing highest marks in statistics, 11 and 12 both, Shriman Arnab Rokhit. On behalf of Arnab Rokhit, his mother is taking away the prize from revered Maharaj. Arnab Rokhit. Arnab Rokhit. Now Shankarlal Chandra Memorial Prizes for the students of other institutions in the annual inter-school essay writing competition held on 6 July 2019. Number of schools participated in this competition 14. Number of students participated in junior group 147, pre-senior 186 and senior group 96. Topic of this year essay writing competition were junior group Sri Ramakrishna's Simplicity and Humility, pre-senior groups by Sri Sarada Muniya, Symbol of Universal Tolerance, in senior group Swami Vivekananda, Under Influence of Sri Ramakrishna. First prize in Bengali competition, Kumari Priyanshi Mukherjee, Sri Sharoda Ashram Balika Vidyalaya. Second prize in Bengali, Diposhri Mondal, Rashponi Balika Vidyalaya, Baripur. Devojyoti Guria, Blind Boys Academy, Narendrapur, joint third prize in Bengali. Is Devojyoti Guria. He is from our Blind Boys Academy. A big hand for Devojyoti. Swastika Banerjee, Vidya Bharati Girls High School, joint third prize in Bengali. Swastika. Is Swastika there? Those students who will have their prizes, please come before the dais. Sneha is absent. Swastika is absent. Sneha Mandal is also absent. Deepti Priya Ganguly from BD Memorial International, Pratapgarh, joint first prize in English Junior Group. A big hand for Deepti Priya. Preeti Shordar, joint first prize in English BD Memorial International School. Rushan Basu, Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, second prize in English. Shriman Shaurodip De, BD Memorial International, joint third prize in English. Absent. Shaurodip De. On behalf of Shaurodip, his mother is taking away the prize. Oh, she is the teacher of BD Memorial International, Shriman Shaurodip De. On behalf of Shaurodip, his teacher is taking away the prize. Thank you, ma'am. Shiv Kumari Srijita Rai, joint third prize in English, BD Memorial International, Srijita. First prize in Bengali, Parambroto Das, RK Mission Shikhan Mandir Sorisha, Parambroto Das. Parambroto Das, he is from Sorisha Ramakrishna Mission. A big hand for Parambroto. Second prize in Bengali, Shushmi Bhattacharya, Sri Sharoda Ashram Balika Vidyalaya. Is Shushmi present? Absent. Deep Mondal, Blind Boys Academy, third prize in Bengali, pre-senior group. Deep Mondal. A big hand for Deep. Deep is from our Blind Boys Academy. First prize in English, Kumari Shumana Panda, Vidya Bharati Girls High School. Second prize in English, Shriman Saptoki Noshkar, Namonalanda High School. Third prize in English, Shriman Saptoki Noshkar is present? No, absent. Shriman Animikha Chaudhuri, third prize in English, Vivekananda Mission School, Joka. Animikha Chaudhuri. Boys, please. First prize in Bengali, Shoumajit De, St. Xavier's Collegiate School, Kolkata. Shoumajit is present. Second prize in Bengali, Devadrita De. Devadrita, absent. Third prize in Bengali, Anirbed Mahapatro, BD Memorial International. Anirbed. Dr. Bhattacharya, she has come for our prize distribution, prize giving ceremony. We are very thankful to her. She has to leave. She has to leave for another meeting. We are very thankful for her. A big hand for her. Thank you, madam. Tanisha Noshkar, first prize in English, Navanalanda High School. Tanisha is absent. Trisha Chatterjee, Navanalanda High School, second prize in English, absent. Tanishta Mandal, BD Memorial International, Pratapgarh, joint third prize in English. Mayuri Ghosh Dostidar, Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, joint third prize in English. Now the prizes for JCD Memorial Annual Inter-School Elocution Competition on Swami Vivekananda, held on 27 July. Junior Group, Sampriti Sinha Rai, RK Sarada Mission Sister Nivedita Girls School, Bagbazar, Kolkata. Joint second prize in Bengali. Kumari Sampriti Sinha, Kumari Vidisha Borbon, Rashmani Balika Vidyalaya, Barirpur, third prize in Bengali. Riddhi Ghosh, Vivekananda School, first prize in English. Shaujanna Sardar, Vivekananda School, Vivekananda Mission School, second prize in English. Kumari Priyanshi Mukherjee, Sri Sharoda Ashram Balika Vidyalaya, Kolkata, joint third prize in English. Shriman Rishib Mohipal, St. Xavier's Collegiate School, Kolkata, joint third prize in English. Pre-senior group, Sanjbati Sengupto, Navanalanda High School, first prize in Bengali. Ishita Shi, Sri Sharoda Ashram Balika Vidyalaya, joint second prize in Bengali. Kumari Shomikha Bag, Sri Sharoda Ashram Vidyalaya, joint second prize in Bengali. Kumari Aditya Nandan, Gokhel Memorial Girls High School, Kolkata, third prize in Bengali. Kumari Suhana Hossain, joint second prize in English, BD Memorial International, Pratapgarh. Shriman Kinjal Chakraborty, Aditya Birla Bani Bharati, Kolkata. Kumari Ankita Mollik, Jyotirmoy Public School, third prize in English. Senior group, Shayona Banerjee, Rashpani Balika Vidyalaya, Baripur, first prize in Bengali. Shohom Sheikh, Navanalanda High School, Kolkata, joint third prize in Bengali. Absent. Kumari Sushmita Sadhu Khan, Sherpur Ramchandrapur High School, joint third prize in Bengali. Kumari Pritisha Mahinta, Vidya Bharati Girls High School, joint second prize in English. Absent. Shriman Rudrayan Sarkar, Navanalanda High School, Kolkata. Kumari Swarnali Das, Vidya Bharati Girls High School. Absent. Shriman Apremeyo Chakraborty and Sushomon Hazra, Swami Lokeshwaranji Maharaj Memorial Award for Excellence in Academic Proficiency during the whole period of his studies in this Vidyalaya from 2014 to 2019 for the last 6 years from class 5 to 10. Apremeyo and Sushomon Hazra. A big hand for Apremeyo. Academic excellence. Jogendranath Ashalata Prize in Honesty, Hard Work, Sincerity, Courage and Self-Confidence goes to Shriman Snehil Sen of class 12. A big hand for Snehil. Shriman Utshav Thakur and Shayan Pan, Swami Asaktananda Maharaj Memorial Award for his commendable performance in medical examinations. Now they have been admitted in Calcutta Medical College. Utshav Thakur and Shayan Pan. Shayan Pan for his commendable performance in medical examination NEET 2019. They have been admitted now in Calcutta Medical College. Utshav Thakur and Shayan Pan. And Shayan Pan also secured 9th position in higher secondary examination in whole West Bengal. A big hand for Shayan Pan. Swami Asaktanandaji Maharaj Memorial Award for his commendable performance in West Bengal Joint and Engineering Group. Shriman Swarnendu Pal and Surjotapa Bosu. Swarnendu Pal and Surjotapa Bosu. They were absent. Now Abhishek Chakraborty Memorial Trophy for the annual quiz contest junior group among the students of Niranjanananda Bhavan, Abhedananda Bhavan and Advaitananda Bhavan. And members, those who were in Abhedananda Bhavan class 7 English medium became the champion. A big hand for them, Shriman Arnav Bharadwaj, Abhirup Rai, Premangshu Jana, Antarip Nath, Tarkajyoti Das and Shriman Vishnu. Arnav Bharadwaj, Abhirup Rai, Premangshu Jana, Antarip Nath, Tarkajyoti Das and Vishnu. Annual quiz contest junior group. A big hand for, now they are in Vigyanananda Bhavan but 7 English medium Abhedananda Bhavan. Abhedananda Bhavan 7 Bengali medium became the runners up. Member of the teams were Shriman Farhan Ali, Olive Gayen, Shubham Rai, Anish Mandal, Avronit Chakraborty, Ankon Bhattacharya. Please come to the dais. Advaitananda Bhavan. Now they are in Abhedananda Bhavan. Abhishek Chakraborty Memorial Champions Trophy for the annual quiz contest senior group among the students of class 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Class 12 became the champion. Member of the team were Devanshu Sonnigrahi, Jonish Laudembam, Devanjan Mullik, Shagnik Koli and Spandan Rai. A big hand for class 12. Please come to the dash. Hurry up. A big hand for the senior boys. Devanshu, Jonish, Devanjan, Shagnik and Spandan. Class 10 became runners-up. ঋতবান গুহ, অপ্রমেয় চক্রবর্তী, সৌর্যদীপ সৌমদীপ সামন্ত, অত্রিজ রায় and অঞ্জন বিশ্বাস. একটু জোরে হাততালি হোক. Class 10 became runners-up. ঋতবান গুহ, অপ্রমেয় চক্রবর্তী, সৌমদীপ সামন্ত, অত্রিজ রায়, অঞ্জন বিশ্বাস. Swami Bhuteshananda Memorial Champions Trophy for the quiz contest on Sri Thakur, Holy Mother and Swamiji among the students of class 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Class 8, 9, 10, sorry. Class 9 became the champions. Shaunak Das, Obhirup Pal, Snatik Bhattacharya and Orgho Saha. Shaunak Das, Obhirup Pal, Snatik Bhattacharya and Orgho Saha. Class 8 became runners-up. Members of the team Joydeep Choudhury, Soham Mukherjee, Shagnik Chakraborty and Pothikrit Patro. Swami Bhuteshananda Memorial Champions Trophy of class 9, they became the champion.